Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to group things in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Grouping things here in Adobe Express is a handy way to manage multiple design elements together for easier editing. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the project or design that you're working and you wanted to group all of them together. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. You can browse thousands of amazing designs to begin your work. But again, you also have an option to start your own content from scratch by clicking on this button. In my case, I'm going to the Your Stuff section on the left side panel of my dashboard. I'm going to choose a blank canvas here to begin work. For example, this. Now, I'm going to add multiple elements here by going to the Upload button. I'm going to upload my own file, just like that. Maybe a couple of more, going to the media section, maybe upload a video. Let's look for the featured. Maybe this like bonfire, camping fire. Gonna stretch it all the way here, and maybe add another photo in this side. Maybe this amazing cute little dog right here. And add a text. Add your text here. Make it different color. Go to the outline. Increase the thickness. And I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller so you guys can see it. Now, I have this things together. And for us to be able to group all of them here, this is one thing. Another thing is the video right here. Third thing is going to be the text. And the fourth thing is going to be the video as well. So for us to be able to group things here, all I'm going to do is hold down your shift button. Click the next thing that I want to group. This and the fourth one is just going to be that. You would notice that there should be a group option here that will pop up. If you do that, you would be able to group all of them together at once. All of the things that is part of your design. And from here, you can essentially make multiple copies of this amazing design by clicking on the copy and pasting it here. All right. So this and that. Create a copy again and voila. Now try to click on play to see if our design blended well together. Because grouping things here helps keep your design organized, especially when working with layers. You can align and position things properly and ensuring that at least two items are selected before grouping for smoother editing. All right. And again, if you don't see the grouping option, ensure that at least two items are selected. All right. Now, once you're happy with the grouped things here, go to the download section right here, download all of them, or if you want to share this amazing design that you have created, grouping things, copy that link and send it to your client. All right. Basically, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.